Hey guys, welcome to Math tutorial. Today we will learn how to find the sum of surds. We have square root of 50 plus square root of 18 as example. So let's start. In order to find the sum, we will first simplify root 50 and root 18 separately. So at first we will simplify root 50. In order to do that, we have to find the factors of 50, which are perfect squares. So take 25 times 2 and look that 25 here is a perfect square. That is square of 5. Now take square root on the both sides and get square root of 50 is equal to square root of 25 times 2. That means square root of 25 times square root of 2. As we know that square root of x times y is equal to square root of x times square root of y. Here x is 25 and y is 2. So we get square root of 25 is equal to 5 and write it as 5 times root 2. That means 5 root 2. That is the value of square root of 50. Now concentrate on square root of 18. Similarly, we will try to find the factors of 18 which are perfect squares. And we take here 9 times 2. And look that 9 is a perfect square here, which is square of 3. Now take square root on the both sides and get square root of 18 is equal to square root of 9 times 2. That means square root of 9 times square root of 2. We have used the same rule here. And square root of 9 means 3. So we get 3 times root 2. That means 3 root 2. So this is the value of square root of 18. Now we have the value of square root of 50 and square root of 18. Now we will find the sum. So concentrate on it and write it as square root of 50 plus square root of 18 is equal to 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2. So write it here and here look that square root of 2 is common in these terms. So we will take it and write it as 5 plus 3 times root 2. That means 8 root 2. And this is the desired answer. Thank you for watching.